Today we will learn how to operate a single buzzer by multiple touch sensors. We need 3 touch sensor, 1 buzzer, 3 diode, 1 N4007. Attach touch sensor module on breadboard as vertical lines according to me. Connect all the GND pins and VCC pins of the touch sensor together with the help of jumper wire. We try to give all the signal pins of the touch sensor to the positive of the buzzer. Now it's time to check our circuit. Let's connect the positive and negative pins of the touch sensor to the battery. As per my subscriber request, touch sensor is not working one by one. Plug the anode pin of the diode to the signal pin of the touch sensor. It's time to connect our battery to check our circuit.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.